So now let's see how we can use the BTrace plugin inside of Blender. So to use the BTrace plugin, I'm just going to delete around the default objects right here. And then I'm going to bring in an object of my choice. So I'm going to go around, press Shift A on my keyboard, and then bring in, let's say, for example, an icosphere right here. I'm just going to go around and scale this in size. So now I'm going to enable the that is BTrace plugin. So to do that, I'm going to go around into Edit. I'm going to go to Preferences. And over here, you can see there's BTracer right here. So once I enable this, you can go around onto the View menu, and then over here in Create, you can see BTracer right here. So once you click here, you can choose the tool. So you can experiment with different tools right here. So in my case, I'm going to go around with the Object Trace right here. So once you go around over here, you can press Run. And what happens is that it traces around the object with the spline, as you can see right here. So now what you can do is you can go around over here onto the properties for this one. So you can go around and then change this around right here. You can change different options right here. So you can go around and then change the geometry of this. You can change the offset of this, as you can see. You can work around with the extrusion over here as well. And you can work around with round object, profile, and so forth, as you can see right here, as with any other splines that you may work with. So over here, you can work around with filling of gaps right here as well. So there is no gaps right here. So there's start and end mapping right here. You can go around and animate these out as well, and then work around with this, as you can see. So you can play around with all of these things right here until you get the desired results, just like this. So you can go around, you can set the offset, you can extrude this out, make it thin, make it thick, according to how you like it. And that is how you can work around with the BTrace plugin inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.